Hi, I'm Anthony. Have you been searching for an affordable townhome where you can enjoy the benefits of big city living without the price tag? If so, I think you'll love Cross Creek Townhomes in Franklin, Kentucky. You're never far from anything at Cross Creek Townhomes. I-65 is just moments from your doorsteps, so getting to Portland, White House, and Bowling Green is a breeze. Also, you're right across from everyday conveniences like Walmart and Lowe's. Or spend the day in charming downtown Franklin with local favorites like Brickyard Cafe, Tim's Main Street Diner, Millhouse Cafe, and Mustard Seed Market. At Cross Creek Townhomes, everything is included in the base price of your home. And by everything, I mean everything. From all of your appliances, even your washer, dryer, and fridge, to upgraded features and finishes, moving day will be easier than ever. Your brand new 2-story townhome comes with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and over 1,400 square feet of space. So you'll never have a shortage of room to host family and friends for the holidays or the next Titans game. Plus, your included 1-car garage offers the extra storage space you've been needing. At Ryan Homes, we know purchasing a new home can be scary, so our entire team will be with you every step of the way to help you navigate through the new construction process. Plus, our in-house loan expert is ready to help you with anything you need. Are you ready to take the next step towards owning a brand new home? Schedule your visit to Cross Creek Townhomes today.